Hello, everybody. Jared's Reps back here after a little bit of a hiatus. Life's been real busy. Haven't been able to, afford my time to make more content. But now that's changing. Got a new haul here, quite a big one, and I'm gonna be unboxing it today. I'm super excited. Of course, not gonna reveal exactly what's in here. Keep it a surprise as you watch the video. But this is the first time that I've asked them to fold the boxes. So I assume that I'll actually have some of the boxes for some of the sneakers in here. I'm very excited about that. Got a cool haul, couple of super hype sneakers, some grail-worthy sneakers. All right, so let's get this bad boy open. All the way down the side. All right, rip this guy open. What have we got so far in here? I'm gonna pull this guy off to the side because it's way too big to keep up on the top, All right, so what do we got on the top here? All right, first couple of things off of the top. I've got two fabric-y items. This is a sneaker. Let's open this first sneaker. I'm not sure exactly what this one is, one of the small sizes. Oh, all right. Well, there it is. This is, you guys can see, this is a pair of Birkenstocks for the lady friend, of course. Get the trash out of here. This is just a basic pair of Birkenstocks. I forget what these are called. I know they're not the Bostons. That's the only one I know by name. But the lady friend is going to be very happy with these. She has wanted these for a while, and they'll be a bit of a surprise for her. Birkenstock on the side. The whole sole is made of this cork board. It's shaped and fitted with the shoe, and she can adjust the buckles on the top. This is super hype. I'm very happy for her to have some cute ass sandals. Let's see what we got in this parcel. Oh, I don't even gotta, it's already ripped halfway open. Oh, you can already see. Oh man, this is an absolute beauty. The Travis Scott Jordan 4 Olive Friends and Family. This is super exciting. This is my first ever Jordan 4. Never had a Jordan 4 before this one. They got a lot going on. They got the lace hole things here. Not too keen on it. The netting is like, it's a lot for me. I've never really been into 4s. But this pair, I really like it having the tortoise shell looking thing on there. And, it's all brown and black, very plain. And it's got the little hang tag as well, the little Cactus Jack hang tag. Now that's nice. Maybe put that on the keychain or on the bag or something. This is a beaut. This is a beautiful pair right here. Very excited to rock these. A nice plain shoe. A nice plain shoe to for an everyday, even though it's a Cactus Jack, a little friends and family. How's that looking on the back? Dude, I'm super pumped about this pair. This is a more expensive pair. This pair is getting rocked immediately. I don't know if I'll have time to do a dead stock review of these guys, because these guys are going on foot later today. Next little bag in here. Cut it open. What is these? Oh, very, very nice. New Balance 2002 R. Obviously, this is the protection pack. They got that all unfinished, kind of scuffed up. Everything's all screwed up, edges look to them. I think this pair is an absolute beaut. Excited. Summertime dad shoe, right? Little dad shoe for the summertime, mowing the lawns. We got a smaller pair. Oh, actually, I don't think this is a sneaker. I think this is another miscellaneous item that I had gotten. Yep, these are a whole bunch of shoe insoles. These came reviewed. I saw, the YouTuber Batch Floss. He is the one that highlighted that there are rep insoles. I have always been one to get nice cushy insoles for my shoes, and having these boost foam ones is very exciting to me. That is a lifesaver for me, from having to pay what, 12, 13, like 15 bucks, 12 to 15 bucks for a pair of Dr. Scholl's to make shoes, you know, comfortable, last all day. Being a teacher, having to, you know, be up and around, running around all day. Need those cushy insoles. Let's see what we have in the next bag. I can see we got that pink Jordan paper. This is a pair of custom colorway. Man, this leather is just beautiful. Look at that. Holy crap. This pair for a classmate. I'd gotten them in the past in the wrong size, unfortunately. But now we got them in the right size. And now, by process of elimination, I know what these are. I'm super excited. This is the pair I've been most excited for. I've been, ever since the first images of these came out, I've been super hyped for them. Wanted a pair of the Union 2s. Dude, these are absolutely beautiful. These are an absolute beautiful shoe. This colorway is so clean. All tans, yellows. I love the color yellow. Color yellow is definitely my favorite. Not having a Union shoe yet. I love the gold, the golden Union laces in color. I feel like they'll look great on this, although the tan ones that come with it already look fantastic. These guys just look great. We got the little tag on the top. I'm torn between whether or not I want to cut off this tag or not. I've seen some people do that. And I suppose the last thing in the box now is actually the boxes themselves. Oh man, they did it. They included them, and hopefully I'll be able to paste them back together. They got some stickiness on them. Ooh. All right. That sucks, man. It ripped the little tag a little bit. All right, I gotta fold these together. All right, so guys, I got the boxes here. They were completely folded flat, except for the top of this Jordan 4 box is still intact because it's just straight up all glued together, so they couldn't rip it. The Jordan 4 box, I don't know about boxes, but I assume they're all similar. They're held together by friction, so you can take them together. You can take them apart and put them together fine. If you guys are making a haul, definitely ask for the Jordan 4 box folded up, because absolutely no problems. You can fold it back together. The Union 2 box, massive, by the way. It did have sticky residue in there, which was sticky. It was kind of stuck to itself a little bit, stuck to pieces of the box, but it was folded flat. But I just stuck it together. You can see under here, underneath this bit, it folded up and stuck to it, as well as and on the same side on the other side. And then along here, this folded over and stuck down on itself. Guys, do not sleep on getting comfy insoles, because that's a big thing for me, being a big guy, being on my feet all day. But irregardless, even just getting the thin ones, like, of course, getting the thick ones for high tops, like, I really care about comfort, so these thick ones are going to be a mainstay. I'll probably get 5 of them in my next haul. But even if you guys don't have high tops, or if you don't care that much about having comfort, you want them to fit right, just get the 1.5 centimeter insoles. I swear you will not regret the purchase. It's like what? It's like $5 or $6 per insole, and they'll fit in your package. It's not going to add any big weight or shipping costs. It's going to be fine. Please do yourself a favor and get some of these insoles, dude. So that's it for the haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, there'll be videos coming up. I like to do weekly uploads. That's what I'm going to aim for. And please leave in the comments what you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys in the next one.